Hey guys, long time no see. So I don't know whether this is a continuation of a vlog or the beginning, but I wanted to do an intro. So camera quality ish, but we can just manage. Honestly, I just thank God I have a phone. Nayo ni story nitawambia baadaye ama niwaambie tu sahi. Yeah, my phone ili crack, ika have issues. I couldn't repair it, so I just had to buy a new one. So yeah, I'm using the Redmi Note 14 series and in Redmi Note 13. So yeah, I just got done getting ready for school. I'm going to be in school for the next 2 weeks. So I think itakuwa continuation ya vlog cause tomorrow nitaenda Kitengela and whatnot. So I shall be vlogging for you guys. So it's good to be back. Nimewamiss. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video. Comment down below. So sijui kama naweza waonyesha full look. Acha nipande juu ya kitanda. Panda kitanda. Yeah, the lighting imeenda off, but that is the full look. Nimevaa inaitangwa aje bodysuit and some jeans. Then I'll layer it up with this sweater, although kuna joto. So yeah, basically that's it. I want to nimeanza kusweat. Nataka kwenda kutafuta bike because there's no way nitaenda kutafuta na hizi mzigo zote, so naenda kutafuta bike itakuja hadi hapa. The person, first of all, why are people so evil? The person I relied on jana usiku, nilimwambia nitampigia, msa ako mteja hadi sahi. So I just have to go out there and hustle for a bike on my own, which is okay. I'll just manage. So happy vlogging hours. So guys, let me just fill you in, though I have put a bit of clips here and there. So nimefika, nakwambia tumekaziwa do, yani fees, and then like tuko watu kama 10. So my classmates, kuna like 3 different courses happening at the same time. So my classmates hawajafika, only one dude ndiye amefika, so the others have not yet arrived, na hata sijui kama watafika. So I've chosen a dorm alone because I don't want to sleep with people I'm not acquainted with, so that when my classmates come, when my friends come, we'll be able to share the dorm together. But for now, I might probably sleep alone in this dorm tonight. I don't know whether I'm scared ama I'll manage because it's pretty huge. I think I'll just lock the door, nishukishe curtains zenye ni bed sheets, and I think I'll be fine. So nimekazwa, I want to go use the washroom. I don't think I'm going anywhere today. Kesho ndio na plan kwenda Kitengela, do a bit of shopping cause sikubeba any snacks or food, and college is pretty much like high school. If you're not prepared, utashenyetwa. So my suitcase is open. So kuna vitu sija unbox because clearly everything will just stay inside. I have washing soap. Niko na sabuni ya kuoga. This one, just a small one, and a soap dish. Then, yeah, I want to wear my Crocs. Hizi ni Crocs. Nataka kuziva. And what else? I think that's it. Unbox vitu zako utaibiwa, so I'm not unboxing anything. They'll stay in my suitcase. Maybe I'll just have a change of clothes. Probably navaa dera sahi. Yani nilikuwa nimebeba dera, so naweza vaa dera sahi. Sikubeba bucket ya kuoga cause nilikuwa nimeplan kubuy, but the road here is so bad. And sidhani nataka kupitia hiyo shida sahi. So, but I should probably shower. So, I don't know. I'm not sure. Naweza itisha namba ya msee wa bike so that nitumanishane ndoo or something. But yeah, for now, I'll show you guys. We'll catch up when I'm taking my lunch. Sai nataka kwenda toilet. Nimekaswa. Yeah. Otherwise, today's look was good. These pants. Aki will just catch up. We'll catch up later. So guys, I'm back from the washroom. I changed into this dera. My Crocs are a mess, I know, but nitazisafisha. So nimepata chupa, nimechota maji. This is clean water for drinking. The shoes I came with. Though tomorrow, I want to go and buy new shoes, especially boots. Yeah, na huku kuna fruit fry. Fruit flies. I don't know where they're coming from. So set up my curtain. Honestly, sioni kama leo nitaenda hiyo side ya administration. I might later to use the Wi-Fi, but yeah. So I have my Redmi Note bottle. So nataka honestly, camera hainibambi sana, but I'm like, we know, it will do. Yeah, so nataka kufanya nini? Yeah. Kukula. So I had prepped some sausages at home. Ni sausages ama smoky. First of all, disclaimer, ziliungua, but there was nothing I could do. So I packed them into 2. Ziko ngapi? I think there are 3 packs. Na hizo hata nilikuwa nadhani zitakaa wiki, but naona zikiisha within a day. So yeah, they sort of burned. Yeah, but ni sawa tu, nitakula tu. So I'll have 2 of this. Hizi zimebondeka. Sausage, some vanilla flavored milk, and water. Yeah, that's it. Nimekaa hapa hivi. I think nimeona hapa pameandikwa mosque. It used to be like the dome for the Muslim boys. So hata ndio mati yao ilitolewa, painting, I don't know. So I'm literally just chilling here. Huku kunakuwa na miti nyingi kwa shule. Probably it's the reason why it always rains. Like kunanyeshanga tu. I hope kesho jua itawaka because tomorrow I want to go to town. Yeah. Kwa mimi I'm trying to keep warm. Hata sijui kwa nini sijavaa trouser. It's super cold. But yeah, I'm just chilling. Oh, like nangoja supper actually. That's where we serve food. Uko pale ni kitchen. So I'm waiting to see if kuna dalili because I missed lunch. And I had to like eat from my own snacks, which wasn't part of the plan. Yeah, so finally, time for supper. I think niliona inakuanga convenient kubeba dish because you can cover the food, especially kwani nilipita wapi? Where am I lost? Oh, okay. Unajua wameka walls around place tulikuwa tunapita. Yep. So overview of the school. Nakuanga nimewaonyesha before. Cha niende nikaserve. Nimeambiwa ni ugali na nyama. Cha nikose nyama. There's a literal frog in my shoe. Damn. Yeah. Mission trying to get the frog out. There's a frog in my shoe. Oh my God. I was going to wipe my shoes. And there's a visitor seated. Oh God. Ah. Hey guys, akina teleza. I don't think I can go anywhere in these shoes and in this rain. Yo, it's a bloody disaster. Hey guys, I am outside the school gate. Nakwambia mvua inatishia tu left, right and center. So, first of all, I am worried. Naweza fika tu pale na nirudi. Cause kuna maji na matope. Na sijaona mtu naweza itisha namba ya bike. So, yeah, that's what's up. Nimevaa sweatpants shati. Hata sijui nimevaa hii sweater kwa nini. Cause it's cold. I just needed to cover up a little bit. Yeah, so if I make it to the city, well and good. If I don't make it, well and good. At the mall. I want to use the washroom and then ningie Naivas kidogo, do like 1 2 3 and then tenda soko. So I'll vlog where I can. Checking out of the washroom. Time to go. Lighting by your side. Yeah, that's better. Time to go. My lips are dry, so go by lip gloss. That's okay. We shall endure. Guess who's back? Okay, nimeonyesha I'm back. My friend amekuja. I am literally so happy. She's going to be sleeping next to me. And I want to close off this vlog. Sijui kama nitafanya haul. Okay, let me do a quick one. A really quick haul of what I have gotten from the market. So, chanieke hapa. So, nimebuy tissue. I'll literally be just dumping them on the bed. Alafu nitapanga. This is what took me to town. They're a bit big, like uku, but that is lengthwise iko sawa. Alafu kuna vile haifungiki huku, but I was like, ni sawa, just give me the boots because it started raining. Yeah, so this, I got this at 500 bob. I've never had high waist, zinaitangwa aje, high knee boots. This is my first time, so nikizipima, I'll insert a clip there when I've worn them or something. Zinaka gumboots, but anyway. So I got some Urban Bites. Everything you're seeing here is supposed to last me the 2 weeks that I'll be here. Otherwise, I'm not buying or adding anything else. Then these are breakfast things. Then I got this juice box. Then a lot of this milkshakes, hot and sweet sauce, because the food really be testing my tastes. Food ni mbaya, so I got that. Then I got hii juice ilikuwa on offer, hata ndio nataka kunywa sahi because I'm really thirsty for juice. Nonja vizuri. Hii itaisha tu sahi. Then I got avocado, nikabuy ka omo, and lastly I got this sanitary towels. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Nawapenda sana. Always remember to keep it locked and keep it shone. Bye.